Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
It's me Vedant by Chaudhary from top video. Today we are organized such a nice topic that name is poster presentation. So friends, I get such a nice topic that name is inside the atom. So friends, first of all, I want to tell you about matter. So friends, you know what's the definition of matter? The definition of matter is that anything that have mass and occupies space, it's called matter. So friends, our next topic is that atom. So friends, you know what is the definition of atom? The definition of atom is that the smallest particle of matter, it's called atom. So friends, I would like to give you one important point about this topic. So friends, first, the Indian philosopher Mercy Kanak named the smallest particle as Parmanu. So friends, our next topic is that Dalton atomic theory. So friends, first point is that so friends, first of all, do you know who is Dalton? The Dalton man is that British scientist John Dalton put the foot of in 1803 and his celebrated atomic theory. So friends, our second point is that according to Dalton, matter is made up of atoms are indivisible and indestructible. So friends, this is diagram of Dalton atomic theory. So friends, our third point is that an atom and element are alike while different elements have a different shape with different mass. So friends, for example, a bundi ladu is found to have an internal structure. It is formed by sticking smallest particle, the bundi ladu, to each other. However, the solid ball spreading means speaking does not have any internal structure. Second point, according to Dalton atomic theory, means the mass is distributed by the Dalton turn out to be a hard solid species, no internal structure. So friends, our next topic is that J.J. Thomson plum pudding model of atom. So friends, I would like to give you 3 points about this means point. So friends, our first point is that the plum pudding model of atom put forth by Thomson in year 1904 is the first model of atomic structure. So friends, our second topic is that according to J.J. Thomson, the positive charge thought out the atom and negative charge electron embedded in it. So friends, our third topic is that the positive charge is balanced by negative charge. So friends, atom is electrically neutral. So friends, this is the diagram of J.J. Thomson plum pudding model of atom, and in the diagram positive charge and negative charge embedded in if. So friends, our third topic is that Rutherford nuclear model of atom in 1911. So friends, first point is that Rutherford took a very thin gold foil, and the means of gold foil thickness is that means 10 raised to 4 millimeter, and gold weight it's with a positively charged a particle emitted by a radioactive element. So friends, our second point is that according to this law, the atom described in Rutherford model turn out to be a unstable. So friends, this is a diagram of Rutherford model. So friends, our next topic is the fundamental particles of atom. So friends, we know how many types of fundamental particle of atom. So friends, there are three types of fundamental particle of atom. First, proton, neutron and electron. So friends, I would like to give you some information about these points. So friends, first our point is that proton. So friends, it is positive charge particle. It has positive value, that is +1. It is present inside the nucleus. It is denoted by P. So friends, our second point is that electron. So friends, it is a negative charge particle. It has negative value, that is -1. It is present the orbit or shell. It is denoted by -e or minus signs. So friends, our third point is that neutron. So friends, you know what is meant by neutron? Neutron, it is a neutral particle. It is a means it is chargeless, having zero value. It is a present inside the nucleus. It is denoted by N, capital N, small n. So friends, our next topic is that atomic number. So friends, you know what is the definition of atomic number? The definition of atomic number is that the number of proton and which are exactly balanced by number of electron in the atom arts called atomic number. So friends, it is also denoted by J. So friends, our next topic is that atomic mass number. So friends, do you know what is the definition of atomic mass number? The definition of atomic mass number is that the sum of number of proton and number of neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. It's called atomic mass number, and it is denoted by A. So friends, our next topic is that isotope. So friends, you know what is definition of isotope? The definition of isotope is that the element having same atomic number but different atomic mass number. It's called uh, means isotope. So friends, our next topic is that nuclear reactor. So friends, do you know what is nuclear reactor? The meaning of nuclear reactor is that nuclear reactor is a machine that are generate electricity and large scale by using atomic energy. It's called nuclear reactor. So friends, thank you for the giving me golden opportunity from the